YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Young Billionaire, and we back in front of the millions.
And in front of the millions.
Alright YouTube, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. Give you guys a minute. Go ahead. Take as long as you need. Alright, so YouTube, today is a beautiful day, man. It's sunny outside. The birds is chirping. I got some cleaning done. And most importantly, man, I finally got a cut today. Like, it's been 4 weeks since I was wolfing. So I had to get a cut. Like, I definitely needed it. Oh, it's just such a beautiful day. Arriba, arriba. So no, but it's just such a good day, man. So without any further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how I got it in. You guys stay tuned. YouTube, so that was the cut. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are liking, make sure you guys are commenting, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel for more content, and leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. All right, I can do it all. You want a cut, we can do a cut. You want me to do some waves, we do some waves. You know what I mean? Cut grass, cut that, I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more, and we out. Oh, you try to play me right quick. I said we out.